to maintain some freshness. Thank you very much. As you guys can see, this video is actually unplanned, and that's because I've been getting a lot of comments, emails, and all of that. So I'm here to actually make a correction or make a reference. I'll be clinical. Like inside the comment section, some people are saying 20 million, some people are saying 25 million. Which of it? The first person that said it, you get. You people know that on this channel, I told you people, you have to be ready to do bass because some of these comments are breaking. Then the next person that pointed it out, that was when I now watched the video. When did I say such? You understand? So that is an evidence to show that the money that they called initially, if you convert it to Naira, that's 25 million Naira. It was now me that was now dragging, that was now begging, that was now persuading. So it is that one that is actually still registered in my head, because that was the initial plan. Pay 5 first, pay 15, and then pay 5 after. No, the first one that they first gave me, it was 2 deposits. So I now initiated, and now negotiated for 3 deposits. So it was now 5, 15, and 25. But then you move on to where that money is more that they can't do just used to do round figure. So that was when I agreed 20, and it was still now 3. So it's that one that is just still in my head. So I didn't even know that was what I actually said in the video. So the total package for Canada Lmia work permit assistance. Send this video anywhere you like. Assistance, like to help you to draft your CV, to send your CV, and to make sure that you get a job. I'm sure that one is not an offense. Wait, I cannot charge to help you to apply for a job again. I cannot charge. It is not an offense anywhere. You will send me your CV as long as I did not do abracadabra. Your job is relevant to your CV. So this is for those people that will say, and I don't start. You people are saying kinikon. Child, send me your CV. We'll draft your CV and kinikon. Like that. So the total package is actually 20 million Naira, not 25 million Naira. And the payment plan is 5 million, 10 million, and then 5 million Naira. Payatna, so it is 25. And like I said, it covers for every member of the family, from your visa fee. Nobody's talking about accommodation and flights. That one, if your employer give you, fine. If he not give you, but to assist you with the Lmia, your visa for all your family members, whether you're a family of 5, whether you're a family of 6, whether you're a family of 7, even if you're a 7 or 9, even if you're a single person, everybody is paying 20 million Naira. And like I said, it's for nuclear family only, father, mother, and their children. Nuclear family only. And like I said, we are not doing any abracadabra. We're giving you a job based on your CV, like based on the job that you have. So like I explained that, I think the lighting here is better. Like this. Sorry, permit me to do some small show. So like I explained, even if your job actually requires you doing license exam, for example, if you're a nurse, if you're a civil engineer, if you're all these things that will actually require you to write the exam, we can actually get you something lower or something in the middle. For example, as a nurse, there are different jobs you can get as a nurse. For example, as a nurse, you can even work as a hospital cleaner. You can work as nursing assistant. I'm doing free consultation. You can work as this. So the thing is, instead of you working as hospital cleaner, we can just tell you to get a particular certificate that will make you to, in Nigeria, that will make you qualified at least to work as, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So instead of going lower, down your job lane, we can just hang you in the middle. So that in that way, that job, when you are doing it in the middle, when you are preparing for, then you can use to prepare before you write your real exam. So like I said, you're getting a job relevant to your field. If you're a teacher, you get a teaching relating job. It might not be teaching, it can be library. It can, I know that it's going to be education one thing that does not require all these huge requirements. And if it's something that we know that you can get the document easily in Nigeria, maybe you should go to Ministry of Education to collect one thing. We'll tell you to do it. You understand? So that's why I said, from that 5 million deposits that you do, part of the money, the first initial say is a compulsory consultation, and it's already part of the money. It's compulsory consultation for everybody. They call it CV re-evaluation. We do not just spray LMIA. We assist you in getting your LMIA according to your CV, according to the experience you have. If you don't have the experience, it is now waiting there your CV. It is what is in your CV that will actually work towards. If you are in the health field, we'll try to look for employers in the health field looking for employees. If you are in engineering field, we'll look for employers in the engineering field looking for employees. But like I said, there are some jobs that require to write licensing exams, to do conversion, to do this. So instead of that, because it's going to take a whole lot of time, we can just get you something lower, maybe assistant clinical. Don't let me say all the gist, but you should understand what I'm trying to say. So you're getting a job relevant to your field, and this one it will be defendable. So even if you go to Canada and they ask you, what are you here for? How did you get the job? It's defendable because, for example, as a nurse, if you get a job as a nursing assistant, it is realistic. If you're a pharmacist and you get a job, even as hospital something, it is realistic. But imagine a pharmacist getting a job as civil engineer assistant, a kitchen assistant. How did you leave hospital to go and be working in the kitchen? You see those type of abracadabra job? We do not do it. I hope you understand that. We do not do it. If you're a chef or if you're a cook, right? Instead of going as a kitchen assistant or kitchen helper, we can just tell you to get a there are so many certifications that you people don't know about that actually exist in Nigeria. We can tell you, oh yeah, go to this organization. Do you guys even know that there's actually a regulatory body for cook? Well, not sabi, but it is our duty. So you see those type of regulatory bodies, right? If we can get all these their license for them, that one it go boost your CV. And instead of working as something lower, kitchen helper, kitchen passer, or kitchen washing plate, at least you go be something more advanced. So that's why I told you that is the essence of the consultation. There is a consultation fee that is compulsory, and it has been added to the initial deposit, because I don't want them to say, oh yeah, pay 20 million, then pay consultation fee again. No. Everything is a combo deal. So even if you paid 5 million and you say you want to opt out, well, first of all, you're not even opting anywhere, because you know that my own money is based on the client that I'm doing. So once you're paying that money, please, you are opting out to where? Say waiting happen. All the Aroye or Kasu. See, no, you go nowhere, my dear. You go nowhere. So everything has actually been added to the initial deposit. So after the consultation, going through your CV, checking the certifications you have and everything, we'll now give you a list of jobs. You yourself, you go through it, then you now pick. But we really don't want you to pick something lower. You know that money is much. At least if it's something like it's middle class, if it's just for you to do maybe online certificate or anything, just do it to add it to boost to your CV, so we'll be able to actually apply for you. Because we don't want a situation whereby you enter Canada and then at the board of entry, because of course they will question you. Yes, they will question your eligibility. That is just it. So that's me telling you that I'm not doing any abracadabra anything. So that when your visa is out and you tell me, oh Demi, you are flying tomorrow, I will sleep and snore, because I know you can defend yourself where you go. If you're a nurse and you get a job like nursing assistant, they're asking you, are you qualified for which type? You even ask the officer that, please, which type of question is this one? You understand? Because they are same lane, they are same line. But imagine as a nurse and you're getting a job as a chef. Aside cooking for your daddy and mommy, do you have any other professional or commercial experience as a chef? No. So how did you get, where is the certificate you got to get this job? That is when they will start asking you questions. Then you now say, please sir, let me chat. Please don't chat me. In fact, it's not even possible. So like I said, I'm working with a legit company. So we work based on your CV. It is whatever you have in your CV that you are working with. If you are an accountant, if Canada requires accountants to write the exam, and you feel like that one is going to be long journey, you can get to maybe accounts assistant. Or there are so many jobs like that I don't want to say. Just something similar to what is in your CV. So that even when you get to Canada and you are doing that job, and if your main job actually requires you, for example, as a nurse now, we can get you maybe all the similar job like nursing assistant, right? So when you are working as nursing assistant in Canada, you know you are still working in hospital setting, your brain will be open, your mind will be open. That way you can still prepare for your license exam. You are not out of it. But imagine if I carry a nurse from hospital and give a chef job to a nurse. How do you want to pass your license exam? You know that I've already changed your career and your pathway like that. So we do not change career or people's pathway. But if you want to change it, you change it yourself before you come. So it is whatever experience that you have in the past years that we actually work with, because we want to do a very defendable job. We don't want anybody to say, oh, you guys use backyard. No, it's legal way. The legal means that we're actually going through and we want something that is provable. Not like when you get to the port of entry, they'll be asking you a question and you cannot answer. Please, I don't want to see after you collect your visa. I don't want anybody to type my number except you're doing referral. I hope you understand that. So the total package is actually 20 million naira.